Hi, hello all. Today let us see some of the important questions on Macbeth written by Shakespeare. First question, who is considered as the fourth witch? Who is considered as the fourth witch? The answer is Lady Macbeth. Next one, name of Macbeth's castle. Name of Macbeth's castle. The answer is Inverness. Next one, who discovered Duncan's body? Who discovered Duncan's body? Macduff. Next one, who jokes that he works at Hillgate? Who jokes that he works at Hillgate? The answer is the porter. Next one, the goddess of witchcraft is Hecate. Next one, which witch hailed Macbeth as the Thane of Cawdor? Which witch hailed Macbeth as the Thane of Cawdor? The answer is second witch. According to Lady Macbeth, Macbeth was too full of the milk of dash, the milk of human kindness. Next one, having left Scotland, Macduff fled to England. How many men reigned throughout the play? How many men reigned throughout the play? 3 men. Next one, which historical event influenced the plot of Macbeth? Which historical event influenced the plot of Macbeth? The answer is the gunpowder plot of 1605. Next one, what present does Duncan give to Lady Macbeth? The answer is a diamond ring. Next one, the major part of Macbeth take place in Scotland. Next one, who kills Duncan? Macbeth. Macbeth sees a vision of dash and sees it as a sign to kill Duncan. A bloody dagger leading him. Macbeth sees a vision of bloody dagger leading him. Next one, who dredged the guards? Who dredged the guards? The answer is Lady Macbeth. Next one, who was having nightmares about the witches? Who was having nightmares about the witches? The answer is Banquo. What is revealed by the following line? Wake Duncan with thy knocking. I would thou couldst. The answer is Macbeth regrets what he has done in killing Duncan. Next one, who says this? A little water clears us of this deed. How easy it is then. The answer is Lady Macbeth. Next one, what prevented Lady Macbeth from murdering Duncan? He looked like her father. Next one, near the end of Act 2nd, Scene 1, a bell tolls. What is this signal? The answer is, it is the time to kill King Duncan. Next one, what upsets Macbeth the most after he has killed Duncan? The answer is the blood everywhere and on his hands. He felt like the blood is everywhere and on his hands too. Who said these? Give me the daggers. The sleeping and the dead are but pictures. The answer is Lady Macbeth. Next one. Who observes the daggers in men's smiles and flees to Ireland to avoid similar fate as his father? The answer is Donalbain. Next one. Who flees to England, creating suspicion that he may have had a role in Duncan's death? The answer is Malcolm. Next one, who said this? The obscure bird, and let us not be dainty of leave taking, but shift away. The answer is Malcolm. Next one, on the knocking at the gate of Macbeth is written by Thomas De Quincey. Who was the arms bearer to Macbeth? Who was the arms bearer to Macbeth? The answer is Satan. Next one, Duncan's palace is at Forres. Next one, who is Hecate? The goddess of witches. Who says, unsex me here? Lady Macbeth. Next one, who are Malcolm and Donalbain in the play? Sons of King Duncan. The porter scene provides comic relief. Next one, who tells Macduff that his family has been killed? Rose. What vision does Macbeth have before he assassinates Duncan? What vision does Macbeth have before he assassinates Duncan? He sees a floating dagger pointing him to Duncan's chamber. Next one, why is Macduff able to kill Macbeth despite of witch's prophecy? Because he was born by caesarean section. Next one, with whom are the Scots at war at the beginning of the play? The answer is Norway. Where did Duncan killed? Duncan killed in his bedchamber at Macbeth's castle. Next one, how many knocks does Macbeth hear at the end of Act 2? 3. Next one, why does Macbeth envy Malcolm? Because he has been named heir to the throne. Next one, who says this? Here lay Duncan, his silver laced with golden blood. The answer is Macbeth. What was the last vision that witches showed to Macbeth? A procession of 8 kings. When was the play Macbeth first performed? 1606. Next one, what is the complete name of the play Macbeth? The Tragedy of Macbeth. What is done is done. Whose words are these? What is done is done. It is said by Lady Macbeth. Next one, the dead look no different from sleeping people. Fearing the dead is like a child fearing a painted devil. Who said this? Lady Macbeth. Who does Duncan name as his successor? Who does Duncan name as his successor? The answer is Malcolm. Which nation's army invades Scotland at the end of the play? England. Macbeth has dash scene. Macbeth has 29 scenes. Who wants Lady Macduff to leave her house? A messenger. Who killed Banquo? 3 murderers. I am in blood, stepped in so far. Words are by Macbeth. The source of the story for Macbeth? Holinshed's Chronicles. Holinshed's Chronicles. The witches meet Macbeth on a heath. Which critic said that the first scene of Macbeth strikes the keynote of the play? The answer is Coleridge. What is the tragic flaw of Macbeth? Ambition. Blood represents dash in Macbeth. Blood represents guilt. Whom does Macbeth defeat in the battle? The armies of Norway and Ireland. Next one, Donalbain flee to Ireland. What can't Macbeth say when he hears the bodyguards praying? The answer is Amen. Next one, who leads the procession of kings in the final apparition? The answer is Banquo, though he was not a king. Who says this? Macbeth will sleep no more. Macbeth will sleep no more. Macbeth himself says this. Next one, how does Macbeth persuade the murderers to kill Banquo? The answer is he insults them for the lack of manliness. Next one, whom does Macbeth kill at last? At last, he killed young Siward. Next one, the second apparition. What was the second apparition? A blood-covered child. A blood-covered child. What was the first apparition? Disembodied head of a warrior. Disembodied head of a warrior. Next one, what is the third apparition? A child wearing a crown. A child wearing a crown. Next one, what is the fourth apparition? The fourth apparition is the procession of future kings. And how many kings were there in the procession? There were 8 kings. So here comes the end of this session. If you like this video and if you find it helpful, please do share among your friends. Subscribe and tap the bell icon for getting more videos. Thank you.